Hello children, now first class mathematics, addition of numbers, total not exceeding 9. Addition of numbers, total not exceeding 9 only. See here, look at the first picture in each row. Count the beads, say the total after adding one bead. Okay, now see children, here the first picture you observe, here how many beads having? Here how many beads having? Now let's count. 1, 2, 3. Then this first picture too, how many having? 3. Here 1 added to 3. Here 3 having. 1 is adding, beads. So here 1 will adding. So now become how many having? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 4. See children, now this first picture to 3 beads are there. 1 will add it to 3. So 4 will come. 1 added to 3, 4 will come. Next, here in this picture too, how many having beads? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? 4 beads are there. So in these 4 beads too, here 1 will adding. See, this girl will adding 1. See, here too only came 1 bead. This bead. So already 4 having, 1 will adding. 1 added to 4. Now become how many having? See now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 4. 1 is added to 4. Equals to 5. Here in first picture too, how many having beads in this picture too? See, let them count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many beads having? 5. How many? 5 beads having. Here 1 added to 5. 5 beads to 1 adding. 1 bead adding. This girl will adding 1 bead. So now how many? Total 6. Let them now count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Understand children? Here 6 having, this 6, now 6 beads having, 1 added to 6. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 having. So children, here 3 added to 1 added to 3, 4. 1 added to 3, 4. 1 added to 4, 5. 1 added to 5, 6. 1 added to 6, 7. 1 added to 7, 7 after number 8. 1 added to 7, 8. 8 added to 1 added to 8, 9. Understand? 1 added to 2, 3. 1 added to 3, 4. Understand? So if 1 is added to one number, we get next number. 1 added to 3 will become next number only will come 4. 1 added to 4, next number 5 will come. We get 5. Understand? Now next page. Count the picture in each box. Write the number in the small blank boxes. See here how many flowers are there here in small box too. Let them now count with me. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many flowers having here? 5 flowers. How many? 5 flowers. In this box too. Only 2 flowers. See children here. 5 flowers and 2 flowers. Add 5 flowers and 2 flowers. 5 plus 2. Add here total how many? This and this. We'll count. Add and count, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here 7 flowers only came. Now count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 flowers. Okay, now you understand children? So here 5 flowers having, here 2 flowers having. Now adding here total 7 flowers only came. See now. Count with me. What is this? Books. So how many books having here? How many? 2 books. 1, 2. 2 books. Add 2 books and 3 books. Add 2 books and 3 books. So total how many books? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 books here, right? 5. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 books. Understand? Understand children? 2 books and add 3. Total 5 books. Now here balls. So how many balls are there here? In this box too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 6 balls. 6 balls. Add 6 balls and here 2 balls. 6 and 2. Total how many balls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 balls. How many? 8. Here count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total how many balls? 8 balls. Here candles are there. How many candles are having in this box? Let's count and say children. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many candles? 5 candles. And here in this box too. 1, 2. 2 candles. Total how many candles? So let them now count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 candles. How many? 7 candles. Count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Understand? This one. They're having. What is this? Birds. Which bird? Duck. Ducks are there in this box too. How many ducks are there? Count 1, 2, 3, 4. So add 4 ducks and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ducks. 4 ducks and 5 ducks. So let them add total how many? Here count how many having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 having. So children here 4 ducks and add 5 ducks. 4 plus 5. Adding 5. 4 add 5. Total 9. Understand? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ducks only? Yes? Good. Good children, observe this. All of you write this. Write all of you. Count and write. Don't write C and don't write C and. Next page. Take out children. Next page. Open your next page. Page number 58. See children, here what having? Parrots, fishes, horses, houseflies, snakes. So many pictures are there. Count the pictures and write their total. One example is given. See here. Count the pictures. Oh, which bird is this? Parrot. So in this box too, how many parrots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Already given here 5. Next in this box too, 1. Only 1. So total how many having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 having total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6. Here giving 5 plus 1 equals to 6. 5 plus 1 equals to 6. Here fishes. So in this box how many fishes having? Let them count. 1, 2, 3. How many? 3. So you write here 3. Count and write children. Don't copy. Count and write. Okay. How many fishes having? 3. So you write 3. Here 1, 2. 2. 3 plus 2. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here write 5. Here we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Understand? 3 plus 2 equals to 5. 3 plus 2. What is this? Symbol of the addition symbol. This one is called plus. Say children, plus. Okay, 3 plus 2 equals to 5. Now, which one is this? Horse. How many horses having in this box too? The running. See, how many having? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? 4 having. Here in this box too. 1, 2, 3. 3 having in this box too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 horses having. See children. 4 plus 3 equals to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 only came? Yes? 7. Understand? Now, what is this? Houseflies. In this box too, how many houseflies having? Let them now count. 1, 2, 3. 3. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Here. So many having here. Let them now count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many? 8 houseflies. 3 plus 5. Total added. Write the total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Okay, understand children? Now this snakes having. They are having snakes. So I am explaining this all upon only. Understand this? Understand? 3 plus 5 adding 8 will come. So here snakes having, you only add it and write it. Okay children? Understand, children, now? You write this, count this, and count these numbers, and write here this and this. Will count and add it and write here. Okay? Add the numbers. How many snakes are there in this box too? Add and write here. Okay, children? Okay, this is the which symbol? Which symbol? Addition symbol, adding symbol. Okay? 5 plus 1 equals to 6. Like that only. Okay? This one. See, observe the following sum. How many balls are there? 1, 2, 3. How many? In up box 2, 3 balls. In down box 2, only 1 ball. So adding here, see, 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1. How much total balls? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Here, 3 balls plus 1 ball. 3 plus 1 equals to 4. Here given, see here. Now, in this box too, do the following sums as shown above. Here, how many balls having? 1. Here writing 1. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 plus 5. So total how many balls having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6. Total 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 balls. Understand, children? Now here 4 plus 2. So here draw some dots. Whatever fish will drawing I am. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fishes having. Here only how many? 2. 2 fishes having. Here 4. Here 2. 4 plus 2. How much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 6. Here how many fishes? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 2 only. 1, 2. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 6. Understand, children? Right now? Okay? Okay, children. In next one, next class too I am explaining. Okay, children.